everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning about our ones times tables. We've already learned about our zeros, and as a reminder, anything times 0 equals 0. It means that you've done it 0 times, okay? Today, the ones are almost as easy, okay? So let's talk about what it means to multiply something by 1. It goes like this. Anything times 1 equals itself. So when you're multiplying something by 1, it doesn't equal 1, okay? It equals the other number. So if I have 1 times 100, like I have right here, it's going to equal 100 because there's only one 100 listed there, okay? Just like if there's Miss Weaver, if you multiplied Miss Weaver by 1, there's just one Miss Weaver. It's called the identity property because that number's identity is staying the same, okay? You don't have to know that word. It's just the principle of it is called the identity property. But basically, all you need to know is that anything times 1 equals itself or it equals the other number. So you just look at what the other number is, and that's going to be your answer. So what's really cool is we start out with 0 times 1, and you can apply either rule here to figure out the answer. You can think to yourself, well, anything times 0 equals 0. Or if you want to follow the new 1 rule, anything times 1 equals the other number. The other number here is 0. So your answer is going to be 0 either way you go about it. That's the cool thing about multiplication. For the next one, 1 times 1. If I have the number 1 time, my answer is going to be 1. 1 times 1 is 1. What if I have the number 2 one time? I write the number 2 down 1 time. My answer would be 2. Okay, notice the answer is not 1. The answer is 2. It's the other number, okay? Your answer is not going to be the 1. It's going to be the other number. Anything times 1 equals itself. So 2 times 1 is going to equal itself, and it is a 2. So that's what it equals. All right, the next one. If I have the number 3 one time, my answer is going to be 3. Good, you're catching on. All right, let's try 4. If I have 4 times 1, what do you think my answer is going to be there? If I write the number 4 down one time, 4. There you go. Excellent. What about 5? If I have the number 5 and I do 5 times 1, if I have 5 one time, my answer is 5. Okay? Same thing for 6. 6 times 1 equals 6. Very good. 7 times 1 equals 7. Yes, you're getting it. Okay, remember it equals itself. Anything times 1 equals itself. What about 8 times 1? 8 times 1 would equal 8. Very good. What about 9 times 1? Well, 9 times 1 would just be 9. 9 one time is 9. What about the number 10? Ooh, double digit. Does that change anything? Nope. If I have the number 10 one time, I have how many? 10. Okay, we have the number 10 one time. It's 10. What about the number 11? 11 times 1 is just 11. And finally, 12 times 1, it'll go. There it goes. 12 times 1. What do you think 12 times 1 is? Anything times 1 equals itself. It's just going to be, if you said 12, you are correct. Okay, so anything times 1 equals itself. It doesn't equal 1. Okay, our other rule is the 0 rule, the 0 property. Anything times 0 does equal 0. But anything times 1 equals itself. It equals the other number. So I really want you to focus on that and get that in your brain. Anything times 1 equals the other number. Does not equal 1, except for 1 times 1. That's the only one that equals 1. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I'd be more than happy to help you guys. Awesome job today, and I'm so proud of you guys. Bye.